Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Megan, and we're with Ram Clutches. And we're very excited to talk about a new product that we've introduced. You asked for it, and we listened. And what we were hearing is it was really difficult for everybody to put a package together that they felt comfortable knowing they got all the proper parts, the flywheel, the clutch, the hardware, the bearing. So we've taken all the guesswork out of it and basically come up with a complete all-inclusive kit that we like to call a CKS kit, basically Clutch Kits Simplified.
Yeah, and these kits are available for the 98 to 02 Camaro Firebird, the 2010 to 23 Camaro, the 1997 to 2019 Corvette, 2011 to 2023 Mustang, and the 2008 to 2024 Challenger. These Ram Complete Clutch Kits give you everything that you need for the install. We've got every single part that you're going to need, and it all seamlessly fits together.
That's right, Megan. And they include, again, like you said, everything, whether it's a single disc you see in front of Megan, the Concept dual disc, the 10.5, that's very popular. It comes with a billet steel or aluminum flywheel, depending on what your application calls for. The flywheel bolts, the hydraulics, and all of those cars already come with an internal slave. So we've included the hydraulics, the alignment tool. So basically, it's a plug and play. All the guesswork's taken out of it.
Yep, and you can even choose from our organic series, our 300 series discs, or if you're looking for something with a little more holding power, you can choose our 900 series metallic discs. Ram is going to take out all of the guesswork on selecting your clutch system. So just remember, CKS, Clutch Kits Simplified, and check them out by following the link in the description below.